Well, where do I start, eh? I'm just cold, annoyed, and I thought that my van was going to fail on emissions test and the brakes. But no, they passed. The emissions test didn't even flag up. Right now, I'm going to cook something. I think that's my sister. I think she kind of like has a conversation in texts, because I get like, look, it's a long one. And I just say, oh, eh? So report it's repeated. Oh, she's got problems with her car now. She's only just got it yesterday. This isn't fair. What's going on? Why can't I trust these mechanics? What's wrong with them? All we do is that we go in there, do a garage, we just want it done. Just want a job done. Don't want to be ripped off all the time. I'm just fed up with it. I love this van, but having paid for it to be done last year, and now it's come up as I have to get it done this year. That is really annoying. Right, I'm gonna have chicken korma and Mediterranean vegetables. I think I'll eat half of these, not all of them, because they look nice, don't they? But it's a date today. Have you ever eaten out of date food? Because these are all the 1st of December. It's last week, but I don't care. I'll probably get tummy ache now. Oh, I just want something to go right. Please. Just give me a break. It looks nice out there, and I did have the door open for a little bit. And I've got a nice view of the Malvern Hills, so I'm going to get up early tomorrow morning. Rises in the east, so it's there. And it'll come over that way. Sunrise, yeah, and I should have a nice view early in the morning as the sun rises. And I've got the whole day to myself again tomorrow. Yay! And I've got some surprise visitors coming on Saturday. Yeah. Nice. That'd be lovely to see them. Anyway, yeah. Don't know why they built that little poo hut there. Why put it there? Why not put it over there? You know, out of the way of the view of the hills. They must have known. And then they've got all trees all. Oh, stop complaining. Stop bloody complaining. Let's get a move on and have this now. How can I have this? I can either bake them or I can fry them. This is roasting. Cooks in 25 minutes. Oh, that can go in the thing. I don't want to use the gas for that. Okay. Remove all packaging, remove dressing sachet and place to one side. Decant vegetables onto a preheated baking tray. Spread evenly. 200 for how long? 25 minutes. Usually burns it all when I do it like that though. And how long's that? I guess burned is better than getting a tummy ache, isn't it? And this is 25 minutes as well. And I could put them both in the thing. I wouldn't have to do any washing up then. Remove sleeve, pierce film, and then put on a baking tray for 25 minutes. Hey, I don't have to do any washing up, apart from my plate. Yay! That's right, so I'm going to have those. I'll put that on. Let's see, I think. There you go. So yeah, easy cooking today. So let's open this up. Still looks alright to me. I'll put it in the baking tray. Smells alright. I've just got to thump this. Oh, I don't. There you go. That's what I feel like today. I just want to cry. I just want a mechanic that does a job, you know. What I do need though is some bako foil. We need to move this out of the way. Got this. Where's the? Won't be there a minute because it's in here. I need some good things. I need some good news. I think it's time to change that foil, isn't it? I lined this around with foil so that it doesn't get all that crappy stuff on it, but it has, so I don't know why I did it. Okay, we'll put that on there. And as they take both the same amount of time, I'll put that in a bag. Looks alright. It's not kind of like mouldy or anything. I don't think. And then, oh, that's what I could do. I'll do this and then I'll get some rice on. That's what I'll do. Love onions. Don't like tomatoes. Put those over there like that. So it protects them. And put that in a bag. Oh, I don't know whether I just keep it or not. I should just chuck it, shouldn't I? It's 1st of December and now it is, what's the date today? But what I'll do, to save it burning, just to get the heat into it, put this over it to start with. When it's halfway done, I'll take this off. I'll get some rice on as well. Okie dokie, it's on 200 and we'll do it for 15 minutes. And get the rice on. Okie dokie. I had a little tidy out earlier and it's really messy. Everything's where it should be. It's so much better. I can get hold of things really easy now. Just how good that makes me feel. I had to do something when I got back from that garage. It's a bit of a mess, that man. Something's making me want curry and chips, but I just have to have something healthy instead. So I make it do with rice. God, six messages. This is also my sister having a conversation by text. Don't do this. She's just bought a new car. Right, it's a Vauxhall, like this. That should be right. She said she thinks it's been recalled because of the fault that is on it. Why did she buy it? I'm not sure what to eat yet. The basmati rice normally takes more than 3 minutes because it's quite a hard rice. I have got the pan right below the camera, and it's quite boring, this rice. It's Uncle Ben's. Let's put some garlic in it, shall we? Right, shall I chance it with this, or shall I... Come on, ting! Ding! Let me just go off. My rice is going cold. There you go. Maybe it was waiting for that. I'll make curry first. Looks like I've overdone it. Well, I did say I wanted to overdo it, didn't I? I was looking forward to those onions. Right. Can't eat them now, can I? I've never been able to get these roasted vegetables right. I don't know why. Look, they're all just dried up and useless, basically. Never mind. So we go with this. If I die, you'll know it's because of this. I've killed myself because I've eaten the wrong food. Normally, this curry is quite nice, especially with chips. But somehow, I think it's not going to taste very nice today. I'd take a picture, wouldn't I? See, I mean, it looks nice, doesn't it? But it's like goopy rice. It's not really good. It's meant to be all fluffy. That's pumpkin seeds, basmati rice, chicken curry, and those roasted vegetables. I'm never very good at packet stuff. I don't know why. I can't do it. I like doing my own stuff. But packet stuff floors me every time. Anyway, I always say a little prayer or bless my food before I eat it. I always say, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I bless this food with your love. And then I take a drink of water. And then I eat. And you know what? Scientists have said that when you bless your food, the chemical composition of it changes. And it makes it sweeter. So there you go. Proven by science, eh?